Good day, everyone, and welcome to Supreme Tutoring. Today, I will be discussing the performance task component of the primary exit profile, popularly referred to as PEP-PT. I will first explain the performance task assessments, then provide both a mathematics performance task sample question and demonstrations of how this task could be answered. The performance task assessment is a multidimensional assessment as it not only requires students to show how much they know about a topic, but also demonstrate the mathematical, linguistic, scientific skills, and even cultural awareness, as well as the strategies they would employ in producing a response to a question or task. So, these tasks are usually comprised of different questions which assess not only the literal level but the inferential and critical levels of comprehension. Performance tasks are usually administered in the student's classroom by their teacher. This setting helps to ease anxiety for some students. Performance tasks are created by the Student Assessment Unit. Performance tasks are typically evaluated using rubrics to score students' responses. Let us now move into answering a sample PEP mathematics performance task. This task has four parts. Each part has one question. Fundraising. Your class is planning a fundraising activity to contribute to the cost of building a computer lab. The teacher suggested that the class earn the money from one of two fundraising activities. Fundraising activity 1, selling pencils. Fundraising activity 2, participating in a walkathon. Students are expected to answer the following questions to select one of the two activities. Part 1, selling pencils. For the fundraiser, your teacher asked you to sell pencils. The cost of each pack of pencil is $100. One pack contains 10 pencils. Each pencil should be sold for the same price. Place two of the following options in the blank spaces below to make the statement true. Options $5, $10, $20, $100, 1, 5, 10. Dash pencil or pencils will be sold for dash. Remember, your role is to sell pencils. You are told that each pack of pencil is $100 and that 10 pencils are in each pack. We are also told that each pencil should be sold for the same price. The instruction states that you are to use two options from the box to fill the blank spaces to complete the sentence. To solve this problem, we revisit the information given. If one pack of pencils is equal to $100 and there are 10 in each, that means we have to first find the cost of one pencil. To find the cost of one pencil, we divide 100 by 10, which is 10. Therefore, one pencil costs $10. We can always check to see if this is true. So, one option could be one pencil will be sold for $10. Which other two options do you think could be correct? If we say five pencils at $10 each is $50, but $50 is not there. So that is out. Let us try 10 pencils. 10 pencils at $10 each is $100. Therefore, that is another option. Simple, huh? Told you. Once you read to understand, you simply have you simply have to apply higher order skills to solve the problem. Part 2. Participating in a walkathon. The second fundraising activity is a walkathon. The teacher told you that each student will collect $50 for each zero point 0.5 of a kilometer that the student walks. Sam walks 2 kilometers. What is the amount of money Sam will collect? Show how you found your answer. Answer the following question using information from the question above. If each student walks exactly 2 kilometers, what is the least number of students that will be needed to collect $8,000? Show how you arrived at your answer. Your role is to A. Calculate the amount of money Sam will collect. Then B. Find out the least number of students that will be needed to collect $8,000. For part A, you are told that each student will collect $50 for each zero point 0.5 kilometers or half a kilometer, and that Sam walks 2 kilometers. You can use a line segment to represent the walkathon. You can first find a halfway mark of the journey, which would be 1 kilometer. You can then count your number line by zero point 0.5 to mark each. Then, for every zero point 0.5 kilometers, you write $50. You will then add each $50 to get the total money earned. Sam collected $200. For part B, we are told each student walks 2 kilometers, which again is $200 collected based on the previous task. Therefore, to find the amount of students that would collect $8,000, we would have to divide 8,000 by 200. Again, each question requires a different approach because a different question is asked. So 8,000 divided by 200 is 40. Therefore, 40 students would collect $8,000. Part 3. Participation in the fundraiser. Your school has 3 grade 4 classes, 4A, 4B, and 4C. The table shows the total number of students in each class and the fraction of the class that is expected to participate in the fundraiser by either selling pencils or walking in the walkathon. Class, total number of students in the class, fraction of the class that will participate in the fundraiser. Grade 4A, 50 students, zero point 0.4 fraction of the class participated in the fundraiser. Grade 4B, 40 students, no information is given for the fraction of the class that participated in the fundraiser. Grade 4C, 40 students, half of the class participated in the fundraiser. A total of 50 grade 4 students will participate in the fundraiser. What fraction of grade 4B students will participate? Your role is to find what fraction of 4B students will participate based on the table provided. You are given the fraction of students that participated in 4A and 4C and the total number of students in each class, as well as the total number of students of grade 4 overall who participated. So 4A would be zero point 0.4 or 4/10 of 50, which is 20 students. For C, only half of the 40 students participated, therefore, only 20 students participated. Together, 4A and 4C has 40 students that participated. 20 plus 20 gives 40. If there are 50 students overall, that means we take the total number or the total amount in both 4A and 4C from 50. So we take 40 from 50 to find the amount that is left for 4B, which is 10. 10 students. Only 10 students participated from 4B. So to write this as a fraction, we simply put 10 over 40, or in its simplest terms, a quarter. Part 4, choosing the fundraising activity. Use information from questions in parts 1, 2, and 3 to answer the following questions. If selling pencils is chosen as the fundraising activity, each participating grade 4B student should sell 20 pencils. If the walkathon is chosen as a fundraising activity, each participating grade 4B student should walk 4 kilometers. The participating grade 4B students need to collect $4,000 or more. Explain to your teacher which fundraising activity you would recommend. In your explanation, give details on both activities and use mathematics to explain how you arrived at your recommendation. Please share your answers with explanation in the comment section, and next time I will check those answers. Remember to contact Supreme Tutoring Services on Instagram at Supreme Tutoring JA, or send an email at literacylab44@gmail.com, or simply call or WhatsApp 537 1787. See you soon!